about two words that are very often used wrong. The first one is grei or greit, and I hear people use this wrong even at a high level, so I really want to let everybody know that grei or greit or greie, plural form, doesn't mean great. It means okay. So if I say det går greit, it means det går okay. Det går sånn passe. Det går midt på treet. Goes in the middle of the tree. So it's not going very well. Det går greit. And some people might add helt greit. Completely okay. Det går helt greit means like it really average. Like could be much better, but I can't complain. Helt greit. So both greit and helt greit, it's not very positive, but it's not really negative either. So the other word is feil. So feil has two meanings. It can mean either wrong, so it can be an adjective, but it can also mean mistake. And it can also be an adverb, so to do something in a wrong way or wrongly. So if I say jeg gjør feil, that can actually mean two things. It can mean that I do something wrong or in a wrong way, but it can also mean that I do mistakes, because feil can be singular and plural of mistake. So I say en feil, jeg gjør en feil, I do one mistake or a mistake. Jeg gjør mange feil, I do many mistakes. So that can be confusing depending on the context. Well, it's more or less related, but jeg gjør feil, I do wrong, I don't do it the right way, or I do mistakes. Jeg gjør feil. Alle gjør feil. Everybody do or make mistakes. Alle gjør feil. So I'm going to give you a test. This is for more advanced levels. There are two very similar sentences, but the word feil does not mean the same thing in them. And I would like to test you to see if you know what it means. So, what does this sentence mean? Jeg gjør noe feil. Jeg gjør noe feil. Noe. Og jeg gjør noen feil. Jeg gjør noen feil. So I'm looking forward to hear your answers on this. Please leave comments or questions below if there's anything you would like to ask about or tell me. Takk for i dag. Vi snakkes!